This tutorial will take you through the DAVP empanelment as I have told you earlier, and also the online and physical bill submission process. It will tell you step-wise how to submit the online bill on DAVP's website within your RO login area. RO means release order. So kindly note down, hard copies have also been delivered to you. Just now they have been distributed. The empanelment of community radio stations with DAVP is done online. The system is online.
These are feedback forms. These are not hard copies.
If it has come, they will deliver it to you. Please don't worry about that.
The system of DAVP empanelment is online process. You have to fill the application form online. Along with that, a valid grant of permission agreement (GOPA) that is required. Then valid WOL wireless operating license is required. We need an undertaking by the CRS stating that it is operating for last 3 months for 2 hours per day. There should not be any break in the broadcast of the community radio station. Another thing which is required is copy of PAN card in the name of applicant CRS. Now here I would like to emphasize one thing, that in the recent round of screening of applications, we have noticed that the PAN card holder's name is different from what is the name mentioned in the grant of permission agreement or WOL. So these two things most probably should be same. If they are not same, then there should be an undertaking establishing the linkage between the CRS and the name which is mentioned on the PAN card. Kindly take note of that also. Then CDs of the broadcast done by the CRS for last 3 months. An undertaking that the CRS is exempted from service tax as the case may be. It may be exempted, it may not be. So as the case may be, you have to give an undertaking for that. And for cases where WOL is expired, an affidavit to be submitted that the application has been submitted with the telecom department for the issuance of WOL and the receipt thereof. The application of the CRS which are submitted to DAVP, they are examined by the screening committee which is chaired by ADG Mr. Satyendra Prakash, and the committee scrutinizes the documents if they are in order. As I have told you in the previous slide, if the documents are in order, then the committee recommends the empanelment of the CRS, and empanelment offer letters are issued to eligible community radio stations, mentioning the rates also. I hope you are aware of the rates. Rate is 4 rupees per second, 40 rupees per 10 seconds. If the community radio station accepts the rates and offer of the empanelment along with other terms and conditions, they have to revert back to us with an acceptance of the same, and then they are issued the empanelment letter. Empanelment is for a period of 1 year. Now, the business module of DAVP is largely dependent on the client ministries. Though as ADG sir has just mentioned that DAVP makes extra efforts, it goes to extra mile to convince the client ministries that they should take community radio stations in their media plans for specific campaigns. But if a client ministry approaches DAVP and they ask for a media plan, if they want to run a public awareness campaign which they think CRS should be the best medium to run through, then they approach DAVP and DAVP draws up a plan with the available funds and release the campaign to all the community radio stations. It may be state specific, it may be region specific. It may not be necessary that all CRS empanel will get the business in that particular campaign. So that is one thing. And also DAVP makes the payment for those campaigns if the ministry, client ministry, they provides us the funds. And we have to understand one thing very clearly, DAVP doesn't have its own fund other than the planned fund, Ministry of INP, which was Bharat Nirman and now Swachh Bharat. Other than these two campaigns, all the campaigns are run by the client ministries with their own funds. If we don't have the funds, it's very hard for us to make the payment until the client ministry provides us the funds. Now the details which are required for, if you are empaneled with DAVP, now the details are required. You will get a username and password for your RO login area, from where you will download the RO, the creatives for the campaign. Also you can submit the bills there as well. DAVP will also provide you a new password for online bill submission. You have to provide a direct landline number of the community radio station you are representing. Invoice number also which is required. Invoice is when you generate an invoice at your end. That is the CRS bill number. the bill date, the date on which the bill is being generated by you.